Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. Today you guys are getting a bonus video for the week. I'm going to be trying out Makartt's new collection, which is their Birds of Paradise. They came out with a polygel kit and a nail decoration set and some gel polishes. I did not get the gel polishes, but I got the polygel and the nail art, so I'm going to unbox them on camera for you guys. Starting with the polygel. They do such a good job with the packaging every single time. They always knock it right out the park. We have our thank you card and our instruction manual, 100/180 grit hand file, our polygel brush, base and top coat, our 4 polygel colors, which already the color choices are really nice. These 4 colors together are super unique, so I can't wait to swatch these. And we have some goodies. Ooh, I love when it comes with nail art. We have some feather stickers. This looks like confetti. And then we also have some gold and silver feathers, and of course dual forms. This right here is creature. We have eggshell, flamingo, and cockatoo. Here they are up close. The camera's not really picking up how bright these last 2 are. It's like almost neon in person. All right, next is the nail decoration set. Okay, it comes in a case. So it seems like the glitters kind of got all over the place. It kind of looks like it's these 2 that might have, or these 2 that might have exploded. It's gonna be a mess. That's slightly unfortunate. I wish that didn't happen because that's a big old mess for me to clean up. I'm gonna go ahead and show you each one of these and also tighten them just to make sure that nothing else spills out. Oh, I almost threw the box away. There was more stuff in there. So again, the feathers. All right, let me show you guys the aftermath of all of that. All right, give me 1 sec. I'm gonna clean all this up. So don't mind my crusty fingers. Right now I just have a really messy layer of gel polish on my nails, so I can pop these off since I switch out my nails so much. I'm gonna be tipping up my nails with the new Makartt XXL tips. Switching over to a voiceover, I'm using Flamingo on my pointer finger. I'm trying to squeeze it out where there's a big bulb of product at the bottom, and then it kind of thins out and goes to the corner as it goes up. And I'm just going to first go around the cuticle and then start pulling on the edges to bring over to the sidewalls. I didn't want to pull on the middle because then I would lose my apex. And now I'm just going to only pull on one side to bring it all the way to the edge where I won't have the slant. Just cleaning it up now, and then also pulling up on certain areas of the slant to make it nice and straight. We're gonna file it later, so it's okay if it's not super straight, but we're gonna try our best. And then cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. And I'm gonna do this to each of the nails. It gets pretty repetitive, so I sped it up and cut out quite a bit, but I'm gonna let you guys watch me do the exact same thing. Really quick, I want to speak on the consistency of this polygel. It was like a medium stiff consistency and thickness, like all of Makartt's polygels are. It was really easy to work with, and it stayed in place. It didn't run all into the cuticle or the sidewalls, so I really liked working with the polygel. And towards the end, I will go into more detail about the actual kit, whether I liked it or not, and whether I would recommend it. At this point, I actually lost the footage of me doing the blue nail, but of course I repeated the exact same thing I did on the other. So right here, I'm just cleaning it up and then curing it for 60 seconds. And for this last nail, I'm just skipping through all the footage. As you see, I went from a big bead of polygel to a smooth nail. For my pinky, I'm doing the 2 bead method because I'm fully covering this nail in the orange. So the first bead is the tip bead. I'm going to smooth it out, fit it to the tip, and then cure it. Next, I'm going to do the cuticle bead where it goes lower on the nail. First, I fit it around the cuticle and then bring the product from sidewall to sidewall, keeping the height in the middle of the bead and just smoothing out the edges. And then I'm just going to clean it up, smooth out all the streaks, and cure it. Then we're going to move on to the next step. Right here, I'm using alcohol to clean up the sticky layer, and it's time to file. We always want to clean off the sticky layer so it doesn't clog up our hand file. Here, I'm just trying to get the lines as straight as possible because once we put in the glitter and encapsulate it, we are not going to be able to do anything to that line. So to wipe off the dust, I'm using alcohol again. For the glitter to stick to the tip, I'm using base coat. I tried to choose the glitter that would match the color of the nail the most. For the thumb, there wasn't an orange glitter, so I'm using the flower decal. Alright, I'm going to encapsulate these nails off camera since I'm not using a Makartt clear. Anytime I encapsulate loose glitters like this, I always like to use a runnier polygel. Makartt stiff clear polygel sometimes moves the design underneath, so I'll be right back when I'm all done. So I just filled in the slanted tip with clear polygel, and now we're going to file. I'm using an 80/80 grit hand file to clean up the shape going along all the edges. Now I'm using a medium grit safety ceramic drill bit, and I'm going to do my filing routine, which first thing I do is go around the cuticle to seal it in and clean it up. Then I like to use up and down motions to debulk the nail, and then you'll see me use side to side motions. That's to smooth out the nail from the up and down motions. I did the same thing to the rest of the nails off camera, and now I'm just going to buff them up to smooth out any of the scratches. So now I'm just cleaning them up, and they're coming together so well. I love the way that they look. I wanted to try to use as many of the nail art products as possible, so now I'm just using the feather stickers on the orange nail, which I think I used too much. I didn't really like the way my pinky came out. It was cute, I didn't quite like it, but I didn't change it. I left it alone, and now we're just going to get into the top coat. So all in all, I really did like this kit. I love the vibrant colors. Makartt always does a really good job of their color choices, and my favorite thing about Makartt polygels is how opaque they are. They're not see-through, they're very pigmented. The packaging is always beautiful. The quality of the polygels are always great. It was really easy to use. If you're trying to add to your collection, especially with summer being right around the corner and you want some really bright colors, I would definitely say go ahead and get this. You can use my code VIXNailTips if you're looking to save a couple of dollars. Finishing the look up with some Cusio cuticle oil so I can model them for you. Like I said, I really like the way that these nails turn out. Super bright, super in your face. I haven't done a slanted tip nail in a while, so this was really fun to do. Like I said, I absolutely love this kit. I definitely see myself using these colors in the future. So that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.